Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video I will be pan-searing Basa fillet. Now let's cook. So guys, here I have my 3 Basa fillet and I'm just adding oil to it just so the season can stick to it and also for moisture. And I'm just gonna flip it and just repeat the same process with the oil. So guys, for my season I have paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, parsley, Maggi all-purpose season, and garlic powder. Now I'm just mixing that all together. Now I'm just gonna base it all over our fish, and this is gonna be so flavorful, guys. Guys, if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notification so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now look how beautiful this is. So beautiful. Now I'm just flipping that over. Now I'm gonna repeat the same step, guys. So I'm adding the fish to my cast iron skillet and this is on medium heat. Now I'm gonna fry it for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side until they are golden. So now I'm flipping the fish, and if you guys don't want yours to be this color, obviously you can minimize the temperature or even the time. You can fry this for about 3 minutes and then finish it off in the oven. So guys, I'm gonna be finishing these in the oven for an additional 7 minutes. And here it is, guys. I went ahead and I served that on a bed of coconut mashed potato and some vegetable medley. I do hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.